All right, we're gonna take a cruise here in a 1968 Camaro Rally Sport. These are really cool, man. They got the hideaway headlights, and the 67, 8, and 9 Camaros are like iconic. They got that look. They're really popular. Everybody wants them. Us older guys remember them when we were in high school. Just the coolest cars out there, and everybody was jealous of the guys that had them, you know? I had a Chevelle myself, but I did like the Camaros. But this one's in a nice, beautiful, bright red paint. Nice paint, actually. Rust-free California car. It was built in Los Angeles plant. It's got an earlier 350 in it instead of the 327, but it's factory 4-speed. Muncie 4-speed. Got a 10-bolt rear end. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes. They work really good, actually. It's got some aftermarket gauges down here. Little stereo, CD stereo upgraded. But, you know, original steering wheel, the hideaway headlights work, everything works the way it's supposed to. Cool. It runs good, man. All the synchros are good in the trans, the clutch is good. It's got some rally wheels, slightly lowered a little bit. Gives it a cool stance. BF Goodrich TA radials. It's just got the look, you know? Go up here and we'll take some more pictures and video for you. All right, check out this really cool 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport. Good looking body style on this car. This has the deluxe option, which is the extra chrome here along the the tops of the doors, near the windows. Gives a nice look. Vinyl top, excellent condition. Rust-free car, floors look great. It's got black California plates. It was built at the Van Nuys plant in Los Angeles, California. Nice paint. I mean, I don't see a nick or a chip in it. Really, really nice condition as far as that's concerned. All the chrome bumpers and everything are nice. Interior is real clean. It's got those 15-inch rallies with BF Goodrich TAs, slightly lowered. Updated front power disc brakes with the drilled rotors. They stop really good. It's got 327 emblems on there because that's what it came with, but it's got a 350 in it now with a factory 4-speed, 10-bolt rear differential. Drives nice on the freeway. Very comfortable car to drive. Power steering, power brakes. You could add air if you wanted to, but I don't know. I'm used to driving old cars without air. Windows down, arm out the window. Show you the interior. Super simple and stock. Just black bucket seats, black carpet. Nice dashboard. Nice headliner. Couple of upgrades. Got the CD player there in the dash. Aftermarket gauges down below. Hurst shifter. Everything else in here looks real stock. The gauges and everything like that. The vents. It's a super good looking car. Ready for cruise night. Or a couple burnouts. You grab some gears. Here's the power plant in the 68 Camaro Rally Sport. Again, like I said earlier, it's an earlier 350, been rebuilt. It's got the LT1 valve covers on there, aluminum valve covers, upgraded power disc brakes, factory power steering, little 4-barrel carburetor on there. Pretty cool. It doesn't even have headers. I mean, you can do a lot to this car. It's got stock ignition system. So it's a canvas. You go ahead and put a LS in it if you want, or a crate motor, but it runs great. So you can do nothing and just go drive it. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Actually runs really good. Everything works in it too. So your gauges, good oil pressure, good temperature, runs nice and cool. Kind of quiet. But again, pretty much a stalker, you know. You can add a little thump to it if you want, put a bigger cam in it, some flow masters. But right now, it's just very tasteful, cool car to drive, turns heads, pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. Or give me a call if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching.